That's cute.
It's spring, and it's time to get some stuff for spring.
It's time to go shopping.
She's excited, so join us as we go to the Dollar Tree.
$5. Knee pads.
And here we are.
It's not going through the headphones. There we go.
And you could spray paint these if you didn't want them to be that.
Those things looked awesome.
Yeah, they were.
I really like these lamps. These solar lamps.
And these are solar.
$5. We're gonna have to get some of those and put them on. We got some 4x4 posts we could put those on. Okay, it's time for spring cleaning. And look at all this storage stuff they have for really good prices.
And if you watched our video with our tote organizing,
Yeah, the stickers.
here's your totes.
Here's your totes. And those organizing things was awesome.
Yeah.
It would tell you what's inside the
These
things,
cups they got.
what's in your tote. You can take pictures of them. Everybody's got cups. And these was kind of cheap.
Yeah, you could tell they were not.
I mean, it'd be something,
They look nice.
yeah,
Color ones.
you wouldn't have to worry about. It would hold
Yeah, purple.
fluids.
Yeah.
Or the white. Oh, no, go do the purple. The purple's good.
Nice colors.
Now do the black one.
I would get the purple and he would get the black.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't get
Absolutely.
them, but that would be.
Yeah, once you got a Stanley, you don't really need. If you going somewhere and you didn't want to lose your Stanley or worry about it, this would be great.
Yep.
That was like a $5 cup.
There's your Christmas totes.
Nice too.
Yeah, we went to what was that store we went to that had all those cups?
The Academy, yeah.
Sports.
Sweet
I
Jesus.
have one of these. I use it in the bathroom.
And most of this stuff is $1.25.
We're gonna have to get one of these. Do they have?
I was wanting to get one of those so we could scrub our siding with.
Yeah.
One of these too. It's $1.25.
And they had handles off to the side down there.
Maybe do like scrub brush to scrub the siding.
Look at all the cleaning stuff. Brush odors.
And I have these. These are neat.
Yeah.
Now, where do you have them at?
It's in the laundry room by
be
the
good
hot water heater.
Okay. I should know that probably. You think?
Well, are you going to use any of the stuff?
Yeah.
They do have a lot of cleaning supplies, all the tools you need.
And I really think if you wanted to test something out, oh, look at this.
Okay, don't bring it out.
This would be the place to test out products.
Yeah. Is that-
These are dog
I
toys.
was trying to.
And they actually had cat toys. That's cat toys
I
right
just
there.
think these are so cute.
Yeah, that is awesome. The stuff they're coming out with.
Twizzlers.
Look,
Avengers.
look, a Reese cat.
Wow, that's so.
I wonder if it smells like peanut butter.
And a York.
I don't know. We should have smelled
We
it.
should have smelled it.
These are so cute.
I know that that's probably one that you
Socks.
Yes. I love the socks. The only thing is they don't have the grippies on the bottom,
SpongeBob.
so you got to be careful. You could take a hot glue gun and put some on there basically if you wanted to.
Well, you think those are just for wearing with shoes and stuff?
Yeah, but I mean,
I want to see that.
I would
see
wear
what
them
you're
around the
saying,
house.
though. Yeah. Now, you could test like anything you wanted for $1.25. They have so much stuff.
And those are big bottles.
And just like a spray bottle, like how much is a spray bottle?
Fruit and vegetable wash removes chemicals, soil,
If
and
you just went out and bought a spray bottle.
I would like to know the ingredients of this just
Mm-hmm.
to make sure it's food safe. I mean, I'm assuming it is since they're selling it,
Yeah.
but it's like what's in it.
Yeah. How do you wash off your stuff with it?
Usually I just run my fruits under the sink of water.
floor cleaner.
I mean, you
Wood
would pay
floor cleaner, spick and
For-
spam.
sprayer for this.
Furniture polish.
Right?
More organization.
storage. I mean, they had a ton of it. And this stuff actually looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Babe, come down through here and see if you see anything cool. Like a nice storage.
That's just amazing how much stuff they have. Baskets, baskets galore.
These are nice.
Looks like an actual woven basket.
Mm-hmm.
These would be good for like school supplies, the metal ones on the top there. If you did like homeschooling.
Look at these little.
I thought those were adorable.
That'd be good for like this.
What would you put in it?
I don't know, it's some kind of trinket.
Paper clips?
Paper clips is about all it's gonna fit. Staples.
How many is there? 5? For 3?
Yeah.
I do like these.
We used those similar to those
6
when we was doing eBay.
Mm-hmm.
No, 3 for 30. They were stuck together.
I got a ton of those.
And the little caddies.
Look at all this. How do they sell all this?
They do.
I mean, look at all of it.
And I don't remember if you get 2 in a package or if it's just 1. I think some stuff is 2.
Yeah, I see the red sticker that said 2 on there, I believe.
There's your lid.
She really liked this cupcake thing, and I would be scared. For
Yeah,
$1.25.
It was a little sketchy.
Your cupcake's coming out. Like,
All 4 sides.
look at that barbecue.
Yeah, 2 deep grill toppers.
Mhm.
These are nice. You just pitch them. You don't have to wash the dishes when you're done.
Have to worry about forgetting the dishes. Now we're really starting to get in. She wants us to use more glass. After we did a video on the cups, and I was talking about how I can't remember, was it a month? Every month you ingest like a credit card
The amount of plastics.
microplastics. So really trying to get away from using all the all the
It's
plastic
hard
stuff.
because you don't realize how much plastic you have until you start going through your cabinet doors.
Yeah. And it's, all
And
the
it's not
bottled
cheap
water
replacing
bottles and all this
everything.
stuff, they gotta make all that stuff, and there's plastic going everywhere.
Yeah.
And I don't know if it's bad for you. I don't know.
Yeah, that's just the newest
it's the
thing.
new thing. Yeah, exactly.
It's like the microwaves, when they were saying microwaves were bad for you.
Well, everybody's got a Dollar Tree, I think,
Yeah,
around them, and
probably more than one.
that is just such a great store. I love going in there and just seeing, them trying to keep the prices low like that is just
Yeah.
amazing. I know they had to raise it to $1.25, but as long as they stay in business and you have somewhere else to shop and get some deals, I mean, that's just awesome. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
I didn't steal your line that time.
No. Sometimes I think I'm going to steal yours.
Yeah, because I'm going slow.
Yeah, I'm like, come
Well,
on.
I gotta wait on the